Hey folks, I have a Scout to show you. This is probably the last one for 2022. It's going to a customer in Europe. The back and sides are some beautiful walnut. Cool little sapwood there in the sides that I really like. And a redwood top. Walnut fretboard head plate and bridge with a little fur neck. So these are all just made from shop scraps. We have a little waiting list of people who want to get one. Soprano scale, flat fretboard, geared tuners, bone nut and saddle. Just a nice little humble little friend. And sometimes I forget that they're so unassuming, but there's a lot of music in here, you know. And this one's got a pickup in it and a high G. It's a good one. This is number 759. Cheers.